In an era where personal data is more vulnerable than ever, understanding the importance of security measures is crucial. Your iPhone, if used wisely, can be your most effective tool in defending against those who seek to exploit it. Security is not just about having strong passwords. It's about a comprehensive approach to your digital life. Establishing a robust defense requires not only awareness, but also consistent action. By following the steps outlined here, you can significantly enhance your device's security posture and enjoy peace of mind. Always remember, proactive measures will safeguard your privacy better than reactive ones. Start by navigating into the device's settings menu, where your journey toward bolstering your security begins. There, select the Privacy and Security option, a central hub for managing your data protection. Within this menu, you'll find essential settings that help control app behavior and safeguard your information from prying eyes. Pay close attention to the App Tracking Transparency feature, as enabling this allows you to oversee which apps can track your activities across other services. It's a vital step in asserting your privacy rights, providing greater control over your digital footprint. Always ensure that your selections reflect your comfort level regarding data sharing. From there, you can proceed to adjust the settings for location, camera, and microphone access. It's important to disable these permissions for apps that do not require them. This minimizes potential loopholes for unauthorized access. Should you find yourself in a high-risk environment, enabling lockdown mode provides an additional layer of protection against sophisticated exploits. This mode allows you to use your device while actively thwarting attempts at intrusive surveillance and attack, balancing security with usability. Meanwhile, don't forget to keep your Apple ID settings in check. Review connected devices regularly. Unrecognized entries should be removed immediately to prevent unauthorized access. This diligence will support your overall cybersecurity efforts effectively. In Safari, take a moment to enable the fraudulent website warning feature. This vital tool alerts you when you are about to visit a potentially harmful site, protecting you from phishing scams. Additionally, blocking pop-ups can prevent unwanted distractions and threats while browsing. Make sure to also activate advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection, which further shields you from advertisers and other trackers seeking your personal data. Together, these features significantly enhance your online security, ensuring that your browsing experience remains safe and focused. As you familiarize yourself with these settings, consider how each adjustment contributes to a more secure use of your iPhone. With each layer of protection, you gain more control over your digital life. Next, ensure you enable advanced data protection in iCloud. This crucial feature encrypts your iCloud data end-to-end, ensuring only you can access it, effectively mitigating risks associated with unauthorized access. Before activating this, take the time to read through Apple's documentation thoroughly to understand its implications fully. This will give you a clear picture of how data security works within the Apple ecosystem. It's essential to weigh the benefits carefully, especially when considering the balance between convenience and control over your information. Implementing these measures rigorously enhances your overall security strategy. Next, think carefully about your backup strategy. Consider the choice between iCloud backups or opting for local encrypted backups. Local backups can provide you greater control over your data, as they are stored on your devices rather than remotely in the cloud. This ensures that you can access your information anytime without relying on internet services. As you evaluate your options, weigh the pros and cons of each approach. Regularly updating your backup process will reinforce your ability to recover easily from potential data loss scenarios. By diligently following these steps, you not only enhance your iPhone's security, but also empower yourself to take ownership of your digital privacy. Remember, staying informed and proactive is key in our ever-evolving technological landscape. Your iPhone can remain a reliable ally in safeguarding your personal data, provided you stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.